Aam Aadmi Party founder Shanti Bhushan has come out and praised Kiran Bedi, the BJP's choice for Chief Minister in Delhi. Now, Bhushan said that the decision is a masterstroke by the BJP and that it could harm Arvind Kejriwal's prospects. So you heard there Shanti Bhushan, one of the founder members of the Aam Aadmi Party. In fact, initially the founder members of India Against Corruption, of which Kiran Bedi was part, Arvind Kejriwal was part, Prashant Bhushan was part of that particular movement along with Anna Hazare. Now we have a unique situation where Anna Hazare has disowned both Kiran Bedi and Arvind Kejriwal. You have the founder member of the Aam Aadmi Party, Shanti Bhushan, whose son in some way or the other is still affiliated with the Aam Aadmi Party, openly calling Kiran Bedi's induction in the BJP as a masterstroke. What does it actually mean for the morale within the Aam Aadmi Party? Is this the consensus view inside the Aam Aadmi Party? We'll try to get all those answers to all those questions as to what is happening in the various political camps as the capital showdown actually begins. Let's say if we have Kamaljeet Sandhu now live with us. Do we have Kamaljeet Sandhu live? All right, we'll try going across to Kamaljeet Sandhu in just a short moment from now, and also try going across to Ankit Tyagi in just a short moment. But this is the statement of Shanti Bhushan. Okay, Kamaljeet Sandhu is now with us. Kamaljeet, we heard the statement of Shanti Bhushan here, where he says that this is a masterstroke by the BJP. Is this admission by the Aam Aadmi Party, or at least a realization in a section of the Aam Aadmi Party, that this is a masterstroke and they are now dealing with a serious political opponent?
Well, definitely. So many are calling it a master stroke, including Shanti Bhushan. Sanket, you would remember a few days ago, we did catch Prashant Bhushan, and he seemed very cut up with the Aam Aadmi Party. He said he didn't have really time to campaign for Arvind Kejriwal or for the Aam Aadmi Party. And the other context is that his own father comes out and says statement about Kiran Bedi. Now, we did try and speak to Kiran Bedi and Dr. Harshvardhan, who were trying to go in the car, trying to really have a familiarization campaign, trying to meet the heads of different areas. So in that particular sense, when we did speak to them, Kiran Bedi didn't really say much, but Dr. Harshvardhan really came out and said that if there are any statements which are coming to the fore, they're welcome, but obviously they can't be ball-by-ball commentary.
Kamaljeet, I don't know whether you heard what Ashutosh was actually saying, but let me quickly tell you what he was actually mentioning. He said that this is not the party's view. This is not the view of the Aam Aadmi Party. And he also questioned Kiran Bedi, the fact that she has, during her administrative tenure, during her tenure as an administrator, has accused Kiran Bedi of running away and her officers not knowing where she was. So it's a direct personal attack that the Aam Aadmi Party is now launching or mounting on Kiran Bedi, as well as completely disowning the statement of Shanti Bhushan.
Well, after good words being said to each other, the slugfest has actually begun between Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP, at least between the chief ministerial candidates, the Arvind Kejriwal and Kiran Bedi. And obviously this is a personalized attack done by Ashutosh, talking about Shanti Bhushan himself. Remember, we tried to speak to Prashant Bhushan a couple of days ago, and he said he didn't have time for Aam Aadmi Party's campaign because he was busy with personal work. And now there seems to be apparent reasons for Aam Aadmi Party's own candidates and Shanti Bhushan as well as Prashant Bhushan taking a different walk or different perspective altogether from its own party, goes to show that all is not well within the own party itself. And then coming and praising Kiran Bedi and saying she would become a better candidate not only as the chief minister but also as the prime minister, goes to show that there are differences within the party. Now, Kiran Bedi has obviously taken a different ideology altogether, joined hands with BJP, has become the prominent face and the chief ministerial candidate. Now, this is going to go on for quite some time till the votes are really cast, but definitely saying that Kiran Bedi was actually doing insubordination, did walk out of the postings, trying to discredit it in a certain way because she is known as a performer. She's been part of the administrator, something that BJP has been trying to project. So Aam Aadmi Party trying to corner Kiran Bedi and saying there have been reasons of insubordination, perhaps she's not best suited for it, and that they do not agree with Aam Aadmi Party's own Shanti Bhushan and Prashant Bhushan's view.